If you've got a sax clip mic that you love using and you want to go wireless on stage, but you want an option which isn't going to break the bank, then I think I've got a pretty good option for you. I'm on tour with Wet 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 here in Hamburg, and I'm going to put it through its paces. Well, let's check out the CloudVocal Eversync SP-10. Before I test it on a real-life pro stage with a top sound engineer, here's some of the nitty-gritty you need to know about the Eversync SP-10. First of all, what is it? It's a wireless transmitter and Stomp box style receiver, so you can run around on stage with your instrument like an absolute rock legend. The transmitter has a USB-C rechargeable battery and lasts about 10 hours, and the receiver pedal is powered by either USB-C or a 9-volt DC lead. Pairing it is an absolute cinch. You just press the radio button on the receiver to get the pairing screen, then press the big pairing button on the transmitter and they pair in seconds, and you only have to do that once. You can use a clip mic, either the CloudVocal SONOFLEX like I'm using, or most other standalone clip mics like the DPA 4099 for example. You just need the right lead and you can get them on the CloudVocal website. By the way, you can't use the mic from an all-in-one wireless system like the CloudVocal iSolo series or the Nux B6. It has to be a standalone clip mic that normally plugs into a standard wireless transmitter. The SP-10 has a balanced XLR output and an unbalanced 6.3mm TS output jack. That would go straight into your mixer, your effects pedals, or your stage box. The SP-10 has a few built-in cool tricks up its sleeve. First of all, you can adjust the gain up to plus 30 dB, you can pad the signal level down to stop overload, and you can select how much boost you get for taking a solo when you punch the pedal switch. And you can also dial in the EQ you want. But the biggest draw is definitely the built-in reverb. You can choose small room, small hole, or large hole, and you can actually change the amount of reverb straight from your transmitter with the little dial that you can see there on the pack. Consumer wireless systems have come a long way recently, and CloudVocal claim you can use 8 sets of SP-10s with stability on stage simultaneously using their 2.4 GHz next generation tech. Okay, this is the Market Hall venue in Hamburg, Germany. We're playing here with Wet 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 later. That's our sound engineer, Ricardo. Now he's just plugged in the Eversync SP-10 straight into the stage box. And then here's the transmitter, and I've got my SONOFLEX mic plugged into it. Let's give this thing a little whirl. Okie doke, so here's the little transmitter. It's absolutely teeny weeny. I love it, it's tiny. And it's very light, which is actually better than most transmitters, even the pro ones. So that can just go any old where. You could fit that easily on your horn. I've got a little pouch I normally use for that. And it's very light, which is absolutely fantastic. But for the moment, I'm just gonna put it on there. Ricardo down there has got the sound up, so we're going into the box here on the floor, and I'm just going to start wandering around and let's see what the range is like. In this particular hole, I couldn't get far enough away for it to stop working, which is quite impressive. Right, let's hear what the reverbs sound like now. You can adjust the reverb on your pack, which is very cool. Although, have to be careful you don't adjust it by accident. Right, I'll put loads on so you can hear it. All right, I've got Rick here. He's the Wet 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 sound engineer, and I just wanted to check with him what he thought and how easy it was to connect. How was it, Rick?
So from my perspective, It sounds very similar to our high-end wireless system that we use.
Perfect.
So I could leave the EQ the same. Came in a little bit hotter, so I had to adjust the levels, but apart from that, it sounds pretty good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right. So basically the conclusion from all this is that you get really good range in the test that we did. It's a very convenient system if you want to take your mic to go wireless. I've just tested it on a really great venue, really great system, and it works absolutely perfectly. So I'd actually highly recommend the Eversync SP-10 if you want to take your saxophone clip mic wireless. I think it's pretty cool. If you want a bit more of how to play sax well, go and check out my free 1-hour saxophone success masterclass. The link is down there. And also in the description, you can find out how to join my Inner Circle membership, where you can get access to me every day. Woohoo! And until next week, oh, by the way, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That would be awesome. Approaching 100K, well, crawling towards 100K, but we'll get there. And in the meantime, till next week, I'll stop waffling. Make sure you practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. Take it easy.
Just getting himself ready, popping himself down for the performance.